Hi dear all students, welcome back again in our another class about form. So this is about the radio button and the checkbox. How you can input a radio button and checkbox into your form. So let's see. This is actually commenting out to make understand the lesson how what is the code about. So this is nothing, this is not code. Original code is here about radio button. Now I'm going to make it active. So same way you commented out, if you do the same things like control, hold the button and press forward key button from the keyboard, it will activate. Now I activated it. Now as you can see, it has written input type radio. So radio, as soon as the input attribute type is been written radio, it will automatically become the radio button. So now if you just labeling up with this, in my previous class I have shown you how to connect the label with the elements. Same way it's they have done it here as well. So input type radio, ID HTML, name fab language. This is just a name. You can put any name you want. Value would be the value of the radio button. Once you select that specific radio button, by selecting that radio button, it will collect the value of HTML. This is actually for further use to process in the server. So for now you just need to understand how you just need to make a form, and how does this all code is been working. So uh, I hope you understood the first one. So same way the second one, this is the second pair and this is the third pair. So third pair of code. So first one is for HTML, second one is for CSS, and third radio button is for JavaScript. So same way, input type radio, that means it will be a radio button, and ID is about CSS. And as you can see in the label also, it's written for CSS. This is how this both has connected. So same way, it has written name, fab language, value, CSS. As soon as someone click this button, the value will be CSS. So let's go in the result in the browser. How does it looks like? Okay, I refreshed it. Now it's come up here. Say, if you click on HTML, this button selected is because of this code, because of label for HTML and input type ID HTML. So ID and for has to be ID of input type, and for of label has to be same. So this is how it will be connected. So I hope you understood how does the radio button need to be created. So this is the second one, CSS. This is the third one, JavaScript. So as soon as I select JavaScript, by clicking, I'm actually selecting the value, taking the value of JavaScript, because the value is written here JavaScript. If you write just script, then it would be the value would be just script. So I don't want to change it because it's JavaScript. So these two tag BR and BR means, I believe you already know, just two step down from the previous elements to the next elements. So next elements will show in the browser two step down. So I hope you understood about the radio button. If you have any question about any of the code, you can feel free to ask me in the comment box. I'll get back to you as quick as possible. See you in the next lecture. Thank you very much for your time.